They giving you part tabulousness, okay?
We're not gonna sit up here and keep putting these bands in there. No. But tabulous, fabulous.
I got a little setup now. I know generally that's good, right? Is that what that means? That right there. Zoology. This part finna be ignorant. Moses would be so pleased with me this season. Oh my goodness. Huh? Bam. You see this? You see a queen. There go another one. Bam, that's it. That's all. Hey cousins, hey, it's your girl Mary Kay. Listen, thank you for joining me today. I know you could have been anywhere, but you chose to be here. And that means something to the kid.
Let the church say subscribe.
Today we are going to do another wig from OMGqueen. Their wigs are always so nice. Plucktabulous.
Plucktabulous, fabulous.
First, let me show love to my subscriber today. You, my cousin, are the.com. OMGqueen, like, oh my goodness, queen. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I feel like I have some gloss on my teeth. Would y'all tell me? Everybody don't do that. Everybody don't tell you when you got gloss in your teeth. Let me put this over here, y'all. I have my information right here. I got a little setup now. This is the new Clean Hairline HD Lace Natural Curly Human Hair Wig in the 6.5 inches of parting. Come on now. They giving you part tabulousness, okay? Honey, your part gonna be all the way back here fooling with OMGqueen. I know that's right. Honey, we finna do a new style. This finna be a new style. People finna have their parts all the way to the middle or the back of their head. Don't even know why. We finna start doing that. Bam, that's it, that's all. This the long part wig. That's what I'm gonna call it. Let me just tell you, virgin Brazilian hair, naturally curly, natural black, so it's not going to be jet black. So if you like your hair jet black, you'll have to color it, but it's virgin hair, so coloring it, easy breezy. It's HD lace. I already told you about that long part, and this is supposed to be glueless now. This cap size is medium, which means it's 22.5 inches. Y'all take y'all domology. Take a nice little bendy ruler, like a fabric type of ruler, and take your domology, going right on around here and see. And if you somewhere around 22.5, you are a medium cap for this wig, okay? Hair density 150. It's curly, so it may be okay, but y'all know that's not my favorite. I see 150 and I be like, hey, and not in a good way. I know generally that's good, right? Is that what that means? The children, somebody's baby tell me, is that good? That right there, 150 is the opposite. Okay, so that's good, then that's not good. Did I just go opposite? Bam, that's good. Bam, that's not. It just depends. It just depends on the wig, y'all. So we not gonna prejudge. We just gonna see if we gonna see. We don't know who. We just gonna see. It looks like it goes up to 180. That's the highest it goes, y'all. So if you looking for something real big, like 250, they said not so. Not today. Not for this wig. Everything supposed to have 250. So you can't put that on everything.
You can't put that on everything. No.
Okay, they have improved bleach knots. Okay, let me say that. And then the hairline is new stylist clean hairline.
Ooh, come on with the new stylist clean hairline.
We're gonna see exactly what that is, because it's probably just a really nice hairline. You know how it'd be new names for it, but it's probably a really, really nice hairline, I can imagine. Choose your cap size, bam, based off of your domology. You can have 2 inches of bleach knots in the front. But if you do feel like, no, I want it all bleached, then you can get the whole lace bleached as well. So you would choose that one. You can choose if you want the elastic band, because really they got tired of putting them bands on there, and then people like me was like, I don't even use those, so boop. So they got sick of it and was like,
listen, just ask them when they order, do they want the band or not? Because we not gonna sit up here and keep putting these bands in there. You got Mary Kay Bell over here talking about it give her a headache, so she don't even really.
So depending on the choices that you make, that's what your overall price is gonna be. Depending on how you want to spend your coins, okay? Bam! OMG Queen. Filled with love and other cool stuff. Bam. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Y'all see me? Y'all see me? Y'all see that? You see that, queen? You see me? You see me? You see a queen, huh? Bam. You see this? You see a queen. There go another one. Bam, right there on the box. You see that? That's a queen. This a queen right here. And it's a whole bunch of kings and queens out there. Bam. You thought it wasn't when it was, huh? That's it. That's all. What's up? What's up? Up in this box? In this box. Yes. I love cute packaging. I just do. It means a lot that they took the time to do that. The Edge Whisperer. Okay, yes, this is a good one. This is a good one. Cause you know all of them ain't right. Some of them will snatch every bit of your edge hair out. We can fly away tamer. I got some fly away tamer. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Bam. Let's see this wig. OMG Queen has great hair, y'all. It's 18 inches. Oh, yeah. I can already tell.
I can already tell. I can already tell.
Y'all, they know what y'all know what y'all be doing. OMG Queen, they know what they be doing. Look. It's so nice. It's so nice. You think it's a game, man, that's clearly not. Oh, this is soft. Dang, why they coming at it like that? Why y'all doing it like that? That's nice. Oh yeah, that's nice, y'all. That's it. So you have the elastic in here, okay? And that's just if you want to, you want a glueless install. It is attachable and detachable. Bam. The elastic is adjustable. Come on now. So it's detachable, but it's also adjustable to be as snug or as loose as you want it to be. Come on, OMG Queen. I know that's right. I told y'all. 4 combs. And this right here, this space right here is lovely. Parting space. 6.5. Bam. Stacks on stacks on stacks. We finna part and be ignorant just cause, honey. I'm finna part this sucker all the way back. Listen, let me tell you something. Moses would be so pleased. Moses would be so pleased with me this season. This part finna be ignorant. I'm not even gonna fool with these curls. Once I put this wig on, I'm kind of gonna fluff it. If I can get this glueless, y'all, when you take the lace off of this will throw on and go after you take the lace off, okay? Now that's if I can get it glueless now. If I can't, then hey, I can't. But I got a feeling that everything's gonna be all right.
Oh,
this is HD lace, but it's already kind of it has like a brownish hue to it. It's almost like they looking out for the brown girls, because a lot of vendors don't. A lot of vendors just don't. They just go with the straight. Like if you really light brown, you good on the lace generally. And then the rest of us be over here like, so we don't deserve no lace. We don't deserve to be able to just throw it on and go about our business. We don't deserve that. What did we do? What did we do? It always seems like it's got a little brown hue to it. You see what I'm saying? And I, for one, appreciate that, because it's about, hello, we over here. We exist. Yeah, but boy, I started this. Hey, yes, this is love. Okay, y'all, enough of this. I'm finna just try to slay it. Y'all with me? Y'all glad to be back in the service one more time? I am. I missed y'all. All right, y'all, let's go get fly. Hold a minute.